Hi friends, this is Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to remove the page break from your Google Docs PC. And if you are new to this channel, and make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. To remove the page break, you just want to find an example. First, I just going to insert a page break from here. So I just going to click on the insert and just going to create a page break. If your document already have a page break and you want to remove the page break, you just have some options to remove the page break. So I just choosing a 2-3 page break. So now you can see I just make a page break. So you just click on your blank page anywhere. So you can see the last thing that have a page break. So just click on your document. So okay, you can see the page break has been created here. So you can just click here and just click on the document anywhere, and you just click on the backspace. The page break automatically removed. Click on the next page, just click the backspace here, try it again and again. So the automatically the page break will be removed. Or you can also use the Ctrl Z option to remove the page break immediately, or you can select the space and delete it and you can remove the page break. These are the options to remove the page break immediately. It's clear. You can just select on the next page and click on the backspace. The page break automatically will be deleted. So try this option now on your Google Docs. Friends, if you find this video useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and if you want more content about Google Docs, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable Google Docs content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.